Okay,
We're gonna just make a funny noise outside to just, I don't know.
Yeah.
Just cause. Right here.
Dude. Good.
How do we do that? Cause they're walking. And they might notice that the door, windows open. Should we just like open it and just do it from here with the blinds closed? Cause they can hear it. Wait.
Wait till you see one right by it. You got it. They're on the other yard. Do it. I'm coming in, man.
Steady.
Yeah. Wait, let's look through it. Open one more. Right.
Oh, the gate's shut.
Good. I got it all. Oh crap. Nice.